Hey, factory update. So things are moving along really nicely now. They just put the ducting for the air conditioning in. You can see the gray slinky tube there. So that just went in, and then there's also these gray, I'm not sure if you can see that on the video, but there's some gray tubes. That's for the electrical. And now we're just putting up another ceiling piece right now. So yeah, I think we might have the ceiling done probably, I'd say, tomorrow. So that's going good. So yeah, the electrical's going in, all the pipes for the electrical anyway, and then the air ducts for the air conditioning, the ceiling. We're putting the holes in for the audio. This is the doorway where you enter into the pod, and right here, this is the wall that goes out to the patio. So coming along. It's really good. Like, there's a lot of guys in here, so it's kind of crowded, but everyone's very busy, and we're getting it done. So things at this point there's been a lot of detail work to get to this point, but now you're starting to see things that are like, wow, okay, this is coming together fast. And it's nice to see it, because we're getting a little worried for a while. Things look like they weren't going fast enough, but it looks like now I think we might make it. And I think we might make it for the launch.